Vanguard funds are known for having the lowest expense ratios in the industry. This allows investors to save money on fees and help their returns over the long run. Vanguard is the largest issuer of mutual funds in the world and the second largest issuer of exchange-traded funds. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of downloading and logging into your Vanguard account. So let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store if you are an iOS user, or go to the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Then in the search bar type Vanguard and search for it. So here's the Vanguard app that you're looking for. To download the app, tap on the Get option right here. In place of Get option, there is Open option in my screen. This is because I've already downloaded the app. Once the app has been downloaded in your device too, tap on Open to go to the app. After that, you need to enter your username and password and then tap on Login. And that's it. You'll be logged into your Vanguard account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.